Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you will be fine and enjoying your life. You are once again with Mudassir, English with Mudassir. In previous lecture, I started past tense, and in past tense, I talked about the rules, regulation, the form, the structure of past simple tense. In today's lecture, I will be talking about what will be the structure, form, helping verbs, and all these things of the past continuous. It is also called past progressive. So let's come with me. So I told you in English, in Urdu we call it Fe'l Mazi Jari, and English it is also called past progressive tense. Past continuous tense or past progressive tense. So how a student will understand a sentence in Urdu, this sentence is belong to past continuous tense or not. Student किस तरह समझेगा कि उर्दू की ये जुमला किस टेंस के साथ मिलती है. Those sentences which end with these words will be considered as past continuous tense. उर्दू के वो जुमले जो इन अल्फाज पर ख़त्म हुए हो उसको हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में कंसिडर करेंगे. सो कम हियर form of verb. What form of verb will be used? Which form of verb will be used? I told you we have 6 continuous tenses. Present continuous, present perfect continuous, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So in these 6 tenses we will be used first form of verb plus ing. So here first form of verb plus ing. Go, went, gone. So going will be used here. Go plus ing will be used in this tense. So coming toward the helping verb, these 3 things are very much compulsory. Was and were are the helping verbs of past continuous tense. Past continuous में हमारे साथ was और were इस्तेमाल होंगे. ये हमारे साथ इसके helping verb है. When you are studying, when you are reading a book or reading a story on anything, any passage, when you saw was, were, it means that this is the past continuous tense. With the help of helping verb, one can recognize that this sentence is belong to that tense and this sentence belong to that tense. So was will be used with the subject having he, she, it, singular name and I. So I is originally plural. Grammarian consider it as a plural, but here I was will be added with I के साथ भी was use होगा. बाकी सब टेंसेस में I प्लूरल कंसिडर होगा और उसके साथ प्लूरल लगाए हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाया जाएगा. यहाँ पर इसको सिंगुलर कंसिडर किया गया है और इसके साथ was लगाया गया है. So verb will be used with we, you, they, plural name. Got it? Now come toward the positive sentences. I told you these 3 things and these 4 ones. These 4 things are very compulsory for a student to learn about a tense. So here positive sentences, what will be the structure? The structure is the most important thing in a tense. Tense में सबसे अहम चीज structure होता है. Subject will be the first, was, were according to the subject, first form of verb plus ing plus object. ये चीजें हमारे साथ इस्तेमाल होंगे. So now I am going to change some sentences in front of you. How we will change the sentences? हम sentences को किस तरह इंग्लिश में चेंज करेंगे? अली ने अली मैच देख रहा था. It was correct. अली मैच देख रहा था. You will look at the end of the sentence. सेंटेंस के एंड को देखोगे, अगर ये एंड इन अल्फाज पर खत्म हुआ हो, so this sentence is belong to this tense. आपको एंड पे देखना है. अगर एंड में ये चीज आया हो तो ये सेंटेंस पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस पे है. So अली नेम मैच देखा, अली के साथ अली हमारे साथ सिंगुलर नेम है तो इसके साथ वाज इस्तेमाल होगा। अली वाज वॉच, वर्ब फर्स्ट आईएनजी, अली वाज वॉचिंग द मैच, अली वाज वॉचिंग द मैच। सेकंड सेंटेंस, वो चारपाई में सो रही थी। Look at the end of the sentence. This sentence ends with these words. So this sentence belongs to past continuous tense. So and one thing more, it shows us it is female. ये हमें दिखाते हैं कि ये फीमेल भी है और इस टेंस से भी ताल्लुक रखते हैं। तो इसके जब यहाँ फीमेल के लिए इस्तेमाल, तो ये उसकी जगह हम शी लगाएंगे। शी के साथ was, स्ट्रक्चर को देखो, शी के साथ was, she was sleep plus ing, sleeping, she was sleeping in the bed, she was sleeping in bed, अली और सदब दौड़ रहे थे। So Ali and अली एंड सदब टू नेम्स है, प्लूरल नेम है, प्लूरल नेम के साथ हम वर लगाएंगे। अली एंड सदब वर रनिंग, रन आएंगी। सॉरी डबल एन इज हियर। अली एंड सदब वर रनिंग, अली और सदब दौड़ रहे थे। सो यहाँ पर हमारे साथ प्लूरल नेम है और यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, तो इसी वजह से हमने यहाँ तक सेंटेंस मुकम्मल किया। Now coming toward the negative sentences, I told you negative are those sentences in which there is no action. When we add help not with the helping verbs, जब हम helping verb के साथ not लगाते हैं तो negative बन जाते हैं। Look at the structure: subject plus was verb plus not plus first form of verb plus object. वो फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहे थे। told us this sentence is belong to past continuous tense. And one thing more, ओहोमी they, ये जमा के लिए इस्तेमाल हुआ है। This is used for plural, so because we will use they here, it is plural, so then we can change it, they. Look at the structure: was verb के बाद not, they were not, play, ing, play, football, they were not playing football. Look at the second sentence: हम शोर नहीं कर रहे थे। हम, we, were not, make is the first form of verb and we will add ing, making, we were not making a nice. Got it? So the last sentence of the negative sentences is वो खत नहीं लिख रही थी। So रही थी told us this is female and for female we are using she. So she के साथ हम was का इजाफा करते हैं। She was not right, first form, ing. She was not writing a letter. She was not writing a letter. Now coming toward the interrogative sentences, I told you the interrogative are those sentences when there is a question, and for interrogative we will put the helping verb of the sentence in the front of the structure. अगर structure के start में, sentence के start में हम helping verb को डालते हैं तो वो हमारे साथ interrogative बन जाते हैं। Look at the structure: was verb plus subject plus first form of verb ing plus object. क्या वो नकल कर रहा था, it is a man. For this we will use he के साथ हम was लगाते हैं, तो was को आगे करेंगे, was, इसको कैपिटल लिखेंगे. Every sentence should be start with a capital letter. जब भी हम इंग्लिश में कैपिटल लेटर सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करते हैं तो फर्स्ट लेटर हमारा कैपिटल होना चाहिए. Was he cheating? क्या वो नकल कर रहा था? Was he cheating? There should be a sign of interrogation or question mark. क्या वो घर जा रहे थे? mean it is plural, ज्यादा लोग हैं, तो फिर इसके लिए हम दे लगाएंगे. सो दे के साथ हम वर यूज करते हैं, वर को आगे करेंगे, वर को W को कैपिटल, वर दे, इसको यहाँ पर वर दे गोइंग होम. क्या वो घर जा रहे थे? Were they going home? There should be a sign of interrogation. क्या हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे? क्या हम के लिए हम we इस्तेमाल करते हैं, we के साथ वर लगाते हैं, तो वर को आगे करेंगे. Were we play plus ing play cricket. Were we playing cricket? So it is very simple. All the tenses are very much close to each other, but there is a big difference between the form of the verb and the structure, and as well as the helping verb. From helping verb you can understand that this sentence is belong to that tense. हमको helping verb के जरिए से आसानी से पता चल सकता है कि ये इंग्लिश की सेंटेंस किस टेंस की है. Got it? If you want to learn English tenses, you must know about 4 things. I told you, I am revising it in every video, that you must know about the recognition of a sentence. उर्दू में आपको पता होना चाहिए कि सेंटेंस किससे खत्म होगा, किस टेंस से ताल्लुक रखती है. आपको फॉर्म, वर्ब के फॉर्म का पता होना चाहिए, आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब का पता होना चाहिए, एंड लास्ट आपको स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. If you have any question regarding past continuous or past progressive tense, you can ask in comment section. So like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks a lot. See you again in the next video.